We're gonna pretend like we're canoeing on this side, all right? Which means we're gonna take the hand that's on that side and put it on the bottom of the paddle, the hand that is on the opposite side, put it on the top of the paddle, and we are going to take strokes, sort of like that. We're gonna reach forward a little bit, lean forward just slightly, reach forward with our back straight, and we're gonna pull backwards while our hand on top stays almost still, but it just pushes a little bit forward. I'm gonna go in, and then I'm gonna come out to the side. And then I'm gonna in, come out to the side. Yeah, just like that, right? And I wanna take powerful strokes. The goal here is not to push the water backwards, but to propel the canoe forward. You want the water to stay in the same spot and you to move forward. So when you get to here, you take it out because otherwise you're just pushing water up. So in the back, you have different kinds of strokes. You have your regular standard stroke, just like you guys were doing, right? And then we have what's called a sweep, where I go out to the side. And then it's gonna turn away from my paddle. See how it's now turning us to the left, or to the port? Because I'm on the starboard. If I wanna go back the other direction, I do what's called a J stroke, which is where I put my paddle in the water, and when I get to about here, I twist my hand out like this, and come out to the side. So it looks like this. Oh, not quite like that, it looks like this, right? And now if you notice, we're turning the other way, right?
Oh, yeah.
So I don't need to keep changing sides. But when you yell switch, so say switch, I don't want to get water in the boat, so I go over my head like that, and now I'm able to switch sides like that. Oh, no, hold the top of the handle. Yep, yeah, there you go. You don't need to lean so far forward. Maybe a kid-sized paddle is more appropriate. You're gonna not step on that seat, but you're gonna put two hands on either, one hand on each gunnel. There you go, stand up, step over the seat. Hands on the gunnels, hands on the gunnels. Stay low, there you go. And now I'm gonna pass you your paddle. All right, you wanted this paddle?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're gonna sit in the middle.
I know.
Okay.
Can I have a snack?
Yes, you may. Put it back in the water like this. Look at me. In the water, just like this. All right. Now put the other hand on top. Now push it backwards. Yeah. All right, now right there, stop. That's where you want to start. That's your starting point. All right? So now pick it up a little bit over your head. There you go. Now take a stroke. There you go. Yes. Go like this. Now go like this. Now put it in the water. As far out as you can. No, stop bending your elbows. There you go. Now take a stroke. There you go, like that. Try to pull with some force, bud. There you go. Nicely done. Do that again. So what is your job in the front? Power. What is my job in the back?
Steering.
Steering. Good. All right, let's go.
Ah!
Good luck.
What are you gonna do?
All right, start paddling forward. You're gonna go past the bridge soon.
We are out here on the canoe.
All right, go over to the tunnel.
We are on our canoe.
High fives all around. High five. Yeah. High five. Good job. How you doing?
Good.
No, look at me. All the way. Turn. Thanks for watching this episode of Wild Generation.
What? There's a power button.